Plant layout, explosion, missile and flying debris. An explosion is the rapid release of energy, creating pressure waves and high temperatures, often generating missiles from the explosion source. When designing plant layouts, consider these mitigating factors to address explosion pressure waves. Maintain sufficient separation distances to prevent damage to adjacent plants. Use blast walls or place adjacent facilities in strong buildings. Ensure vessel walls are thick enough to withstand pressure waves. Direct explosion relief vents away from vulnerable areas like other plants, buildings, or nearby roadways. Addressing the risks of missiles from explosions requires detailed, individual analysis for adequate safety.